We've got the extension room roof here, which I'm about to fit to the awning here. Like your end wall, feed the bottom end in first off the bottom track there. So start with the bottom end. Just slide him into the track there, all the way down until it stops. And obviously then your top side, giving it that loop, makes it a bit easier. Okay, so that's hanging there nicely. Now the next step is just to get that fabric over the top of that rafter arm. So we'll just try and gather it up to a point, just like so. What we have here is the two vertical poles. You have your 7'6", which is the outside of your awning there, and your 9-foot pole, which will be to the van side, which is the taller of the two. And then we've got your horizontal eye-to-eye bar, which is your leading bar for your roof there, okay? So that's the three poles that you need to, for the second step there. So you get your eye-to-eye spreader bar with your two verticals, the 9-footer against the van where Doug is there. I've got the shorter 7'6" pole. And we just grab the corner of your fabric of the roof, poke him through your top eyelets there in the corners. Just drop them legs down a bit, just to get a general height there. Dougie's just there now, putting pressure out this way to hold the fabric up. Once we've got Doug holding out the roofing material there with your two verticals and the leading bar spreader bar, I'll install the two other spreader bars there. We get to show you both ways of attaching these spreader bars due to the different heights of the spreader bar awning arm there. Okay, so the lower arm here, top of the arm there, into the webbing with the eyelet, and then just continue on out with the C-clip to the other spreader bar there, tension up, lock it off. Obviously little Velcro straps there to hold in. All right, and here's the other option with your other spreader bar here. Obviously you can see your top awning arm is hard up against the roofing material. So I'll be taking that spreader bar with the spigot end. I've drilled a hole to accommodate the spreader bar. So just locate it into the hole there. And obviously out again to that leading bar, tension it off. Now I'll just begin to hang the three walls off of there, which will enclose that extension room for you guys. Just to make life a bit easier for everyone, with the valance, just curl the valance up so your zips are readily accessible there. So we started there. Once that's started, just hold up the rest of the wall, continue zipping along until the zip ends there, and then the rest will just Velcro attach into that corner there. We've got all the three walls hung there, so now we just continue on zipping up your corners. So you'll see this long wall here, which is this wall here attaches to your long wall. All right, so I've got that started already, and that just zips down, continues on there. The reason why we've got that zip in there is actually so you can remove this end wall and you can just have a massive room all the way through without having to have this end wall in there to make this a secondary enclosure. You can completely open it up and have a big walk-through room basically. Start this corner zip here, get that zip down, and then just push that pole into the corner. Included in the pole kit, which comes with your extension room setup here, is your curved rafter, which sits to the center line of the roof there. So it's just a rafter here with two C-clips on it, which I'll show you. Just locates in up the top there, snap locks in. Then we just spread out down to the front there, locates in there, get a bit of extra tension on him, wind him up. Obviously that'll help prop up the roof stop any bellying, so you don't have any problems with pooling of water while it rains. So that's it, guys. That's the completion of our Great Annex extension room. Hope you like the video.